Don't drive away. We need this thing.
There it is.
They're just gonna get away from the cops.
Yeah, good luck. I can't call Lester again. Cool down.
How do you call them all?
You call him on your phone and then you tell him to remove your wanted level. There, it's gone. Okay, go back
Did
to
you
the
do
CO.
Yes.
Down. Yeet.
You gotta go get that car.
Where is everybody?
Megan's gonna come out in a second.
She might want to hurt.
Ah,
Oh, that's bad.
okay. Oh my
It's
god.
flying. No, God.
It's a good thing you died, it's okay.
Yeah, I was just getting the cops out.
Get in the chopper.
Is it in the front or the back of the building?
In the front, where you just died.
Guys, get in.
Okay. Ran out of energy. It's gonna take me. I got
He's
something.
just gonna pick you up.
There's the garage? Oh, there he is.
Hey, look, she knows how to land.
She flies better than me, for sure.
Going to Vinewood.
She flies with controller and plays with controller, as a matter of fact.
Winky, it's called landing on a flat area.
I was landing on a flat area.
I don't know how you messed it up then.
It was really high up, like almost equal level to me.
Oh, then you gotta go slowly go down.
I thought it was.
You
Keep
just,
the
you
helicopter.
just tap
keep the helicopter.
I got
S
excited.
to go down.
I see the car.
I just got excited.
Gotta still be a resist, man. You got to kill the guys? I'm assuming.
Yeah, we gotta snipe them.
I don't have a sniper, so you gotta do that. I have shotgun.
You can stay in here. Just one of us can fly this. I mean, ride the thing anyway, I think.
We're taking out the pedestrians.
Yeah. Oh, damn.
Kill the pedestrians. Oh crap. What the hell? Okay.
I just took your money.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Get in the car.
Should I run it off this edge right here?
Wait for her. Wait for her to get in.
You know, it'd be so much easier if you
never
had a
mind.
cargo bob.
Just knock me out!
Yep. She was like, fuck that.
Yeah, wouldn't it just be much easier if you had a cargo bob?
I'll go down.
Oh god, they got a chopper on this. Go get that chopper, kill it. They're damaging the car. It's cunts.
Some pretty good music.
Can't even fucking see this thing.
They're below us. A little bit behind.
Yeah, it's fine. It doesn't cut the car, then it's fine.
We're getting really low to the ground and it's making.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Don't worry. I got this. Whoops.
Oh god. Watch it, man.
Oh, it's dying.
Solid landing.
Nope, that's it. They're off. Don't mess with them.
Guys, I'm in the dad car.
Why did Merryweather call me? And I realized like most of it, why like all the missions I get are from Martin. Yep.
She just got you out of the car. What the fuck was that?
It's my ammo drop, man. Oh, okay, fuck you. You guys are cunts.
Wow.
Okay.
This is a Christian chick.
Hey, man. I need that. I
She
need that ammo.
collected the ammo drop. She collected
Oh.
it on accident. Oh man,
Yeah.
that sucks.
Okay.
Film that shit. Wow.
I kind of need that ammo, but okay.
Just buy some. In the M menu.
We got another one. Oh, it's gonna take me 5 minutes.
Go to the M menu and buy more.
Oh god. Okay. So what are we gonna do, guys? Oh. I'm surprised she still has that rocket from Independence Day.
You can buy it.
You can buy this
Oh
still?
my god!
Well, my
Yes.
mic was off the whole time. What the fuck?
Yep.
God damn it! Like
Yes.
stop your actions.
What's up, Ninja?
Oh wait. Ah! Come here. Yes.
Probably
murder
could
me.
do a heist.
Yeah, can we do a heist?
I got no time for no heist.
Aw.
Too late.
I need to. Hey, should I save up for the apartment or car? Send it to you.
Cars aren't that
Oh my god.
expensive.
They gotta get the customizable.
Club.
It's kinda close up. I don't have any melee weapons because I'm left out. Oh
Oh,
god!
that's it
Cops!
for
Get the cut! Run! Let's run!
Cops ruin all the fun.
I have caused trouble for Plumbug LLC. Remember your fee conditions terminating your service at the meantime. Still be my financial when working at an associate.
England. You stole that
Mayhem!
Oh my god, that pen! That man, that random position.
What about me? Ooh.
You guys gonna do any more CEO work? Oh, I think she's calling for it.
Yeah, it seems like she is. I don't know.
Hey, Wayne K. I'm gonna go to my MC. I'm gonna see how doing things. Do you wanna come with?
I'm having fun blowing things out.
Okay. See you later.
What the fuck is this bullshit?
Dude, look at my chat. Look at this. This is crazy.
Look at your what now?
My chest.
What about your
Bloody,
chest?
bloody
Oh.
and beat up.
It sure is.
Like I got a giant dog paw print in my
I
chest.
was supposed to kill this bitch.
My ass is bloody.
It takes so much shorter. Now I'm at 10 minutes. I was shooting this bitch for an hour before I was recording this thing.
What are you doing?
Killing a boss. That takes ages.
And you weren't recording it? I'm assuming?
So I can report it. Because it's clearly hacking. Oh, this is a fucking bitch.
You're back.
Oh shit. Ah! No! 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 What a bitch! Oh my god. Eat that. Alright, let's do this. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, that's not gonna work. Did I get fucking wrecked? Oh! Wrecked. What is this thing? Whatever. Alright, let's see if I can get that guy attention. Oh shit. Oh my god. Retreat, cause I'm a fucking wuss. Oh my god, get over. First person. First person. Alright, I need to trick this guy.
Wayne K.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh my god. Oh my god. This game is so fucked up.
Hey, Wayne K. Okay. Hold on.
He said he was going AFK.
Oh, my bad.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Yeah.
Hey,
Right, this thing
Bye.
is supposed to like fucking kill this shit. Easy.
I'm gonna go check on my weed resistance thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna go check out my
Yeah, I was doing. Huh?
game bar.
Alright, which one of these guys have?
Hey, Winky, do you in an apartment?
No, I don't have an apartment.
Yeah.
You don't have an apartment? You're poor.
Yeah, we are poor ninja.
Millions of dollars. Because you're all noobs.
Yeah, I'm a noob.
Sadly, she can't share.
I wanted to experience the game for.
I didn't. I skipped ahead.
It's really like after you have a bunch of money, apartment, cars, everything, you basically have nothing to do. That's a sad part of GTA. Like all you really can do is just screw around and play heist.
This fucking boss is cancer as fuck. I spent 1 hour trying to stab his ass with the fucking OP sword I have. I still wouldn't fucking die. What
How
a
come you
fucking
don't do you need like more than one player to kill it?
You're supposed to have more than one person, but I did it so many times before by myself.
What does it really offer? Just XP?
A huge amount of XP and something really special.
I want to get the game now. It looks really,
Yeah,
really
get the
fun.
fucking game next. What is wrong with you?
Alright.
Oh my god, that bitch is right there. I see you. Fucking hiding.
I'm gonna go look at my MCG.
Can I just kill it from here?
Winky. Oh, never mind. He left. Died.
Don't call. Oh my lord. This is fucking wicked.
How far are you in the game? Like, how far?
Let's just say I just started last week. I haven't gone that far. Oh my god.
Do you have like a decent base?
I'm not even done to say that. It's the gayest base I've ever seen. That's a bit. Right, you drill her ass up over there. Cause you're not a little bitch, you gotta drill her so she goes up. She's not going up. Oh, there she is, she's going up, she's going up. Go up, bitch, fly. You will fly like a fucking asshole whore you are. Fucking hacks.
Ninja language.
Christian chick. Look at this house. Like, push her up. Push her up. Push her up. You can do it. This bitch has to follow me up. Oi. I'm gonna fucking real go walk a techie walk crowd. Your motherfucking ass. At least give me back that arrow, please. That's okay. You can have it. Ah! Hello?
Hello.
Hello. This bitch has to follow me. It's not following me. Okay, you know what? I have a better idea. If this bitch is allowed to hack, I'll fucking cheat my way through too. Alright, you come here. He's around over there. So if I calculate it right, it should be right here. I hear her grunting in there.
And then, do you know how to what's it called? Cheat, like called?
Cheat what?
Well, not really cheat, but like, oh, it's like, how do you make a private public session?
On what?
Do you know how to
GTA?
do that? GTA?
Sue does it better than me.
But yeah, do you know the process?
No.
Oh crap. Okay.
I can't hear it. People are gonna complain about it, but I can't hear, so fuck you. Can't hear the audio now.
And then, do you know what's the what's it called? The best type of factory? Or like
I don't know.
business?
Does it look like I know?
I'm asking
I already
because
have-
apparently.
I already have millions of dollars, okay? So I don't really care. This bitch has to. Oh, I killed her! I killed her with cheats! Ban me. Ah! Okay, it's okay.
You're playing by yourself. Like, do you have any else to play with on that game?
Not really. But I killed this bitch. Wink is supposed to play with me. But he has to update his thing first. I did it. Where's the chest?
Didn't give you a chest.
There's no chest.
Didn't give you a chest and didn't like you.
I got the ice lamps at least. Fucking hell. Well, I killed it. We're done. Yay! Time to move on to the next one! Fuck this trap. Didn't even work.